Hello everyone, I'm Coco Sherelle and welcome to my channel Bling. Today I wanted to show you a quick tutorial on how I apply the glitter heat transfer vinyl to my Converses. You can get the vinyl from Michaels, Walmart, Amazon, and Target. Then what you're going to use is your Cricut or your Silhouette Cameo machine, put in the name that you want, and then print it out. I have a video detailing exactly how I did that. I'll put that in the description section below so that you can check that out. So I'm decorating this for a bride. So of course I'm going to have the bride word on both of the Converses, and then in the inside of both of them, I'm going to have her Mrs. name. I love using glitter heat transfer vinyl because it's thicker, but I especially love the Cricut brand. It makes it so much easier to peel off. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Cricut. I just like their products and I wanted to share with you all. I made her Mrs. name smaller so that it can fit in the inside section of the Converses underneath the logo. Now when I peel this off, I'm always careful because it is smaller. But like I said, using the Cricut brand makes it so easy. So I have two of everything for the right and the left sneaker. Now it's time to position it on the Converse so it can be heat pressed. I'm using the Cricut mini press on high heat, and I'm using a pot holder in the inside of the sneaker just to give me some cushion and protect my hand from the heat. With heat transfer vinyl, you can iron directly onto the plastic protective sheet. It will not damage the iron. Back in the day when I used to do this, I would use a giant heat press machine. That's what I had at the time and it worked. But it was big and it was clunky and it was kind of awkward to get the name on. Then I went to using a home iron. You can still use that, it's very useful. But then I told myself I'm going to upgrade and get the mini iron because it just makes my job so much easier. I do a lot of these for my business and I needed it to be a little bit more efficient. With the mini, I'm able to get into the small little crevices of the name, and it just makes my job so much easier. So yes, the mini iron is a plus. When applying the bride Mrs. name to the inside of the Converses, I'm very careful not to put the heat onto the logo because it will melt. You may not be able to tell, but I am applying pressure when ironing the name on the canvas. That's why I have the oven mitt inside the sneaker, because it gives me a firm structure and something to push down on. So there you have it. This is how I apply the names to the Converses. It can be worn just like this, but of course my channel was Bling and you know I have to add the bling. So I went ahead and did that, and this is the final result. Aren't these absolutely gorgeous? I have many videos showing how I apply the rhinestone crystals to the name and to the entire sneaker. I will leave a couple of them in the description section below, so please check them out. Hey guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And also follow me on Instagram. The name is Bling. If anyone is interested in having a pair of Converses for themselves designed by me, please go to my website. It's in the description section below on Etsy. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate y'all. Until next video, stay blessed. Bye guys.